Laikam ha Jal Jiwan Mission Meghalaya kabadai ka JJM bat ka tarik kaba khadu kadai hau lai phuai tarik ubanai me 8000 armulai ki post kilong kumne Technical Assistant Coordinator ISAS Coordinator for Capacity Building and Training Management Analyst Assistant Water Analyst bat ka lab Multitasking Assistant ka post jong ka Technical Assistant kalong bakidon kam ya ki briu ki bapas ya ka bitek kum sansnem jong ka experience ka Coordinator ISAS pat kidon kam ya ki briu ki balapas ya ka Master in Social Work kum balaisnem jong ka experience ki badon kam ya ka Coordinator for Capacity Building and Training pat kidon kam ya ki bapas ya ka Master in Social Work but Rural Management kum balaisnem experience Management Analyst pat kidon kam kumba arsnem jong ka experience kiba pas ha ka BBA ka Assistant Water Analyst pat kidon kam ya kiba pas ya ka BSc in Chemistry kumba arsnem jong ka experience bat kaba khadu kadai ka lab multitasking assistant kaba kidon kam ya kiba pas ya ka 12 pass science bat kiba donro ya ka skill haka computer perlok kiba sngotanan bat kiba kwa ban apply kila ban apply bat kiba la ban ra ru ya ka mark sheet certificate experience certificate shaka office jong chief engineer PHE Meghalaya haswa ka lai phuai tarik banai me 8000 arpulai hadu ka 9 baje janmit